Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage here. So I'm going to do a little review here on Michelin Primacy Touring AS tires, AS for all seasons. And I'm not so happy with the amount I got out of them for mileage. So I installed these at 38,500 miles. And basically, I only got like 20,954 miles out of these tires. Now, they're not exactly at the wear bars, but they're close. And I'm going to show you the actual mileage on my car, just so you know I'm being honest with you. So, autofocus, come on and work for us. Anyway, the mileage is 59,454 miles. So that's about 20,954 miles, right around there. So, the tires are basically, I was told they were good for 60,000 miles. I know they're not going to ever get that. I would have thought I would have at least gotten 40 out of them. But if you look right here, look at where the wear bar is. It's really, really close. And if you ever get yourself in a hydroplane situation with a tire like this, it's not fun. You got to hold on. But so what I'm going to do now is, at the mileage it is stated, 59,454 miles, I'm going to install these Michelin Defenders, which I'm told from the tire store I'll be much happier with. They're rated for 80,000 miles, so we'll see how many miles we get out of this. It's going to be kind of a long-term review here, so I'm going to get back to you in a little bit on what I'm getting for wear on these. I'm going to rotate them every 3,000 miles like I did these Primacies, and we'll see what we get. But for what you pay for tires, you really should get more life out of them. And especially if you spend a lot of money on tires, you should get an alignment done, a four-wheel alignment, because you don't want to chew your new tires up. Anyway, if you like this video, please like it. And if you want to subscribe, that would be even better. Hey, have a good night. I appreciate you.